Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Wednesday 12 February 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 5, number 14, number 27, number 33, number 45, booster number 19. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number first number 2, second number 12, third number 25, 38, 42, booster number 20. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment, subscribe.